Thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Hello everyone, my name is Subi and
this is Gabs from South Sudan.
And today we are going to react on a song called It's a Beautiful Day. And it's a Khasi version. So
we have Joelan Wanbhaa Wanjop. You know Wanjop?
Yeah, I reacted to its song.
Yeah, we just reacted previously. And Wanbhaa Wanjop, in that previous song we reacted, it was called Iyom Samla, like that, right? Iyom Samla. We reacted, and all those guys were there. Only Wanbhaa wasn't present. Joelan was there, Wanjop was there. So today is a beautiful day. We are going to check it out with this Nepali girl. Make sure to subscribe and make our day beautiful. Put on the bell, share with your friends. Joelan also is a singer. This guy is also a singer. Wanbhaa is here. Now it's a trending guy. Wanjop is here. Their theme is called Mar Lohan.
Bunsin nami hajingem ngaklat ban ai ngo yami ang ni ngawan menta ban ai ngo yami Namar ba milang play badan bortam shalenti bapayang ami yalam tunang yalam yangan ay ngoyami I don't wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I may fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
You got this song now?
Yes, I already know.
What is the original? What is the original song from?
It's from Africa.
Yeah, that's original song is from us only. It's from Africa.
Yeah,
that small boy.
My brother used to listen to that song.
Yeah, you know that small boy is just like they asked him to sing for the school kids. So he sang this song and
it got viral.
It got viral even by mistake. Like people just recorded like normal, and one guy posted it and made the song to be famous. Then people found out the song is so meaningful, and they started making remix on it, and it come boom. So now, Khasi people, yes, let's do it. Start. This is Wanbhaa. It's a good dancer. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Ngam jelot hadu riau ka jingkerni ngaklu marki jing modol wat kas kau thali surpa siu jong mitra yang ka jishai ngala sakma lentin rei me tan thama like imu nong pop kumanga kosio ngandem ban ngan yai wat yami kupa ngan jing sung haji thala sung ha proteng aturuma sengiu jing dom dewan batam shame ngapai yang aturam lenti barim kibangayan kanu ngajam kanu ngatai henry ka jing sei jome yang aku rayawan ladon bun ki jing keli henry ko try ngashanya tanghane men sim jong akas ngausngan hajan jome hapdeng jing dum tang utrai bathame. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
God is great. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for hey Wanbhaa, slow down, bro. You're bored. Wanbhaa's got it too, biggest church,
Yes.
biggest Catholic
Yes,
church
my parents.
in Shillong.
My parents have been there
Yeah.
when they went to Meghalaya. I
Yes,
saw the
it's-
pictures
Yeah, so huge church, and it's
in Shillong.
yeah in Shillong only. Like it has two part also. It has two part. One part is facing opposite each other. Yeah, so beautiful church, and there is a lot. This is the biggest Catholic church there. There is other background also there. But you know, Wanbhaa now, if you saw Wanbhaa, it looked totally different. It's here now.
I saw his profile. You used to post.
Yes. We used to share stories with him, right?
Uh,
He now made the perfect hairstyle. What I can
Curly
say,
hair.
the curly hair is so good with him now. But this one was so trash. It doesn't look good with him. It was so
Don't
trash.
say
Like,
like
honestly,
that.
Wanbhaa, just keep the current hairstyle that you're making it, and the fade. He used to do nice fade hairstyle, the fade style. But the previous one, because this music is so old,
oh.
like it's I don't know how many years.
Everybody has glow up in their life.
But now they all have changed physically, even the Joelan. But Wanjop hairstyle is still, I think, is same like previous. This for Wanjop hairstyle is so good with him as like previous until now. But for the Wanbhaa, I think he found the perfect one. So I am also part of Mar local music. I'm part of the team, guys. I love the team, and I'm a big fan of the team, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Share this. Have a beautiful day.